Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing WorldMark Eagle Crest. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Located in Redmond, Oregon, an indoor pool and outdoor pool are available at this aparthotel. Apartments each feature a fully equipped kitchen. Smith Rock State Park is 30 minutes drive away. Laundry facilities are provided in each spacious apartment for guest convenience. A balcony is also included at the WorldMark Eagle Crest. Tennis courts, a hot tub, and a games room are all available at the Eagle Crest WorldMark. Skiing, golfing, and whitewater rafting are all available nearby. Mount Bachelor is less than 1 hour's drive from this aparthotel. Aspen Lakes Golf is 20 minutes drive away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.